Hi, good day everyone. So the lesson for today is going to start off with systems of linear inequalities. So systems, you should think, okay, there's more than one inequality. Linear, you should think there's going to be lines. The inequality just should remind you of greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, all of those good vocabulary words. So we're going to put a whole lot of things together today. Okay, so it should be like a review for you. We're just going to put some more things with it to make it more algebra too. Okay, so first vocabulary word. A system of linear inequalities is a set of two or more linear inequalities in the same variables as shown below. So just like I said, a system, we would have in some cases more than one. Linear, we got our x and our y's, and then and then we're going to have some shading, so we're going to do that in just a moment. So the first inequality we have is y is less than or equal to x plus 2. The next inequality is y is less than negative 2x plus 1. And the last inequality, 3, is y is less than a negative x minus 1. So that's going to be our example of a system of linear inequalities. Now, I thought I blocked this part out. A solution to our system of linear inequalities is an ordered pair that is a solution of each inequality in the system. So what happens is when we have our solution, it's going to have to work in every single inequality that we have given. If we have two inequalities, then it must work in two. If we have three inequalities, then it must work in all three. So this is just a short video just to review some of the vocabulary that you may see. And I made that in bold, so I'm going to make this in bold too. Alright, so let's get ready to do a little bit of practice with it, making sure that we can prove our solutions and that we can graph our systems of linear inequalities. Let's get started. I am so glad you're here.